Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Review. Nowadays, men and women all around the world are suffering from a leading problem, which is uncontrolled weight gain. The people of the USA most especially experience this, with America accounting for arguably the highest percentage of adult obesity in the developed world. The biggest reason for this is low metabolism and fast-running lifestyle. Many weight loss supplements are available these days, but only a few are original and have positive effects. One of the most effective ones in recent times is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, which helps in the betterment of metabolism. It has an antioxidant-rich formula that increases digestion and fat oxidation. To know about all its ingredients, how it works, the advantages and whether it has any side effects, continue watching this video till the end. What is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? First, I am sure you've seen a lot of scam alert headlines about this supplement, and thus the question will be, is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic a scam? The answer is a big no. However, there are scammers out there swindling people of their hard-earned money in the name of Okinawa. We will tell you how to avoid them shortly. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is made up of natural supplements in the form of powder. These natural dietary supplements help in digestion and weight loss. In the beginning, it was manufactured on an old tradition, but with time it went through much research and its production was standardized. The official website details that the formula of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has antioxidants, and it provides support in digestion and metabolism. Moreover, these supplements also provide energy balance. One bottle of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is enough for a month because it has 30 servings. Additionally, it is produced in an FDA-certified facility and it is also GMP certified. The origin of the formula used in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is Japan, and the product is actually named after an island there called Okinawa. How does Okinawa work? In Okinawa, it is a very common practice to treat patients by recommending a blend of antioxidant herbs and foods. Most of us think that the slim bodies of Japanese people are due to their genetics, but the actual reason is their dietary fibers and way of living. The people of Okinawa are not known to have diabetes, and are also known to have one of the lowest levels of obesity in the world. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is manufactured on this foundation to help people suffering from obesity. Okinawa works by blocking the protein called C-reactive protein, CRP, which prevents the fat-burning hormone called adiponectin from performing its functions. By so doing, the fat-burning hormones are produced, and this helps in changing our food into energy. Ingredients in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is an amalgam of herbs, spices, minerals, berries and vitamins. The final product that people use now is a result of a test of 140 different combinations of all ingredients. It is a blend of different ingredients to increase metabolism, reduce food cravings, and regulate digestion. These ingredients can be subdivided into three main headings. Number 1, polyphenolic blend ingredients. These includes aronia berry. Aronia berries have polyphenolic compounds, for example, anthocyanins. These compounds improve the condition of the digestive system. It boosts up immunity, increases the level of energy, and are great sources of fiber. Acai berries. They contain anthocyanins, which are essential for maintaining brain health and level of cholesterol. They minimize the absorption of fats present in food. Mulberry. It regulates the level of sugar and cholesterol to help maintain a healthy life. Hibiscus. The Hibiscus sabdurifa plant is found mostly in Asia. Tea can be made from its flower and it is famous for its tart flavor. It is enriched in vitamin C and beneficial in reducing body weight, fat and hip-to-waist ratio. Number 2, metabolism boosting ingredients. Okinawa contains antioxidants obtained from plant extracts like cherry, green mango, strawberry, blueberry, watermelon, lemon and peach. Other main sources of antioxidants found in Okinawa are as follows. ECGC. It is considered a potent stimulator of thermogenesis. It stimulates thermogenesis and burns extra calories, thus reducing body fat. Piperine. Piperine is an antioxidant that is obtained from black pepper. It aids in the process of digestion and reduces fat. Piperine works by blocking the formation of fat cells. Bitter melon. Momordica charantia is mostly used in Japanese cuisine, especially in Okinawa. It is used to treat diabetes and stomach ache. It contains the extracts of shilajit, ginger and turmeric. Number 3, digestion supporting ingredients. Okinawa contains digestion-supporting ingredients such as inulin. Inulin is an amazing ingredient that helps in digestion. The source of inulin is chicory, and it is also present in agave. It is a powerful ingredient that aids in digestion and also reduces bloating and other stomach issues. Inulin helps to reduce hunger and promotes weight loss because it cuts visceral fat. Benefits of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. As mentioned earlier, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has become one of the best supplements for weight loss around because it has several other benefits. Here are few of its amazing benefits. Weight loss. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is the perfect solution for weight loss because it contains multiple ingredients that help in shedding extra pounds. It also helps to keep your BMI in the safe range and reduces the risk of stroke, diabetes and organ failure. Digestion. The second incredible benefit of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is fast digestion. The tonic fastens digestion because it contains various enzymes which improves gut health, nutrient absorption, remove toxic materials and destructive chemicals from the stomach. Metabolism. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is famous for improving metabolism. It eases the oxidation of fat and cleans the stomach. By virtue of this, it does not allow the body to store fat. Energizer. Okinawa Flat Belly increases the body's energy level because it contains powerful antioxidants that act as anti-inflammation and increase the energy levels in the body. Improved cognition. Another amazing benefit of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is that it boosts brain function because it contains some natural ingredients like antioxidants, extracts of berries and turmeric that are known to improve brain power and cognitive capacity. In addition, it sharpens the memory and improves focus. Healthier baseline. Okinawa Flat Body Tonic is very helpful in balancing the blood sugar and cholesterol levels because it contains healthy and effective nutrients that helps maintain these key body function parameters in their normal ranges. Who can use this Okinawa Flat Belly solution? Okinawa Flat Belly solution is specially designed for obese people and as such it is a very effective solution for weight loss. It also improves digestion which is linked to weight loss. When your digestion process is good, you will lose an extra pound in a short time. The product is also recommended for people who are suffering from high cholesterol levels, people that are diabetic or have other related health issues that stems from obesity. In short, if you have a weight gain problem and want to lose extra fat, then try this healthy and natural weight loss product. Side effects of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. As mentioned earlier, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is an amazing weight loss product with all natural ingredients and as such it does not come with any noteworthy side effects. However, kindly note that if you are suffering from any kind of medical condition, it is best to consult your doctor before trying the supplement. If you're a pregnant lady or a breastfeeding mother, it is also advised to ask your doctor first before using the tonic. What is the recommended dosage of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is available in powdered form. You can easily mix it with portable water. According to its manufacturers, the recommended daily dosage is 1 scoop, which amounts to about 2,800 milligrams per day. You can take this weight loss supplement after 1 hour of taking a simple breakfast or before 10 a.m. in the morning. Please note, do not take beyond the recommended amount of the tonic on a daily basis because it has been specified based on what's just right for the body by its manufacturers. Exceeding the specified daily dosage may cause some uneasiness to the body. How long does Okinawa Flat Belly take to show results? The appearance of results varies from person to person. For some people, they start to observe changes in their body and gastrointestinal system within 1 week. For others, it might take a bit longer before they begin to observe significant changes in their body. However, one thing that is for sure is that once you are consistent with the usage of the tonic as recommended and as at when due, you are bound to see results with the passing of time. It is on the basis of this that the producers of Okinawa have recommended that it should be taken for at least 2 to 3 months for the best results possible. They are so sure of the long-term effectiveness of their product, that they've attached a 90-day money-back guarantee to it if you don't get satisfactory results from its usage. What is the cost of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? A bottle of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic now goes for a discounted price of $69 with the addition of a small cost for shipping. However, you can enjoy further discount by buying the 3 bottles package at $177. This reduces the cost to $59, and you get 90 days worth of supply. Or you go for the 6 bottles package at $294. This gives the best value at $49 per one, and you get 180 days supply. The 3 and 6 bottles package also comes with the additional benefit of free shipping depending on your location. What does the Okinawa Flat Belly package include? Apart from the bottles of the tonic itself, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic package includes other various things that can be considered as add-ons, for example, 21-day Flat Belly Digital Guide. Free healthy recipes of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic drinks. Healthy and nutritional diet plan. 100 healthy and quick fat-burning recipes. And energy-boosting smoothies. Where to buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The only place where Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is sold is their official website and not any other website or marketplace online. Not Amazon, not Shopify stores or any other stores at that, the product's official websites alone. The website is straightforward to navigate and you'll order the health supplement in only a couple of clicks. The billing portals are completely safe and secure. And once you create the payment for your purchase, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement will get to your doorstep. However, recall that we mentioned that there are scammers with fake websites on the internet scamming people by selling products that are similar to Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic in the place of the original product. In fact, some websites sell nothing at all, as you will order and never get anything in return for the order placed. Therefore, it is in your best interest to make sure you buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement only from the official website. The first link in the description below guarantees that. Another important warning and reason why we strongly recommend you use our link below is because people usually fall into the trap of these fake websites by doing an online search which might lead them to the wrong webpage, so be careful in that regard. Finally, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is an effective weight loss product with 100% natural ingredients. It contains various healthy and natural ingredients which help to improve digestion, boost metabolism and lose weight easily. The plus point about this weight loss supplement is that it has no side effects. You can try this weight loss product for better results, link in the description below. Please share this video, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you find this information helpful. Thanks for watching.